This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and your wing level meets the emote's requirement. This saves wasted time. Next, join a public or private server with 3 friends because the skipping emote requires synchronized group interaction. Once in, position at the designated emote spawn point or NPC and ensure your connectivity is stable. Lag can desync actions. Make sure everyone accepts prompts quickly, since timing windows are short. Now proceed to the coordinated activation phase. You now perform the coordinated sequence. Have everyone stand shoulder to shoulder facing the same direction to keep animations synchronized. One player initiates the emote or event prompt, while the rest immediately use their emote wheel to match the animation. This alignment prevents cancellation. If you miss the window, reset by walking a few steps and repositioning, then try again. Maintain clear voice or chat cues so everyone presses simultaneously. This reduces timing errors that block the emote from. You finish by checking your emote wheel. If the skipping emote was granted, equip and test it. If it didn't appear, relog to refresh your account state and try the sequence again. Persistent failure often clears with a simple restart. Make sure everyone used the same server region and that no event time restrictions blocked reward distribution. Mismatched regions or timed events can prevent unlocks. One key troubleshooting tip: clear temporary cache or switch devices to rule out client-specific animation bugs before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.